Academic Awards. Local File Master in English Spelling Bee. Second place for Spelling Bee in Filipino. Best in Mathematics. Best in Reading Phonics. Best in Language. And Best in Writing with honors. Best awards and specials is awarded to Bautista Rene Kenshin.
Na siya.
Thank you, Ma'am Carol, Ma'am Lee, and Ma'am Queen. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, valedictory address by Kenshin Bautista.
My teachers are the sources of my inspiration to study harder. Thank you for making this year so special. I am sad that all is over now, but I was taught. Every ending comes with new beginning. I am very happy we will start soon. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Congratulations to all of us. I wish you everyone's good health. Thank you, Papa God. Maraming salamat po. Maligayang pagtatapos sa aming lahat.
Thank you. That was the words of gratitude by our preparatory, Mr. Bautista. Nakikita niyo talaga kung paano they are not only proving themselves that they're excelling academically, but they're